to this amazing video. It's Crown Tech Communication. In this video, we are going to be talking about how we can create an invitation card. Now, you have different type of invitation cards, be it a wedding invitation or anything you want to invite someone for. Maybe you have a client give you work to design an invitation card. Now, there's a custom background for invitation card, but we are not going to be using that this night. Now, let's go to our image size. Now, the size for a invitation card is 1000 by 1800. Now, can you see? Now, this is the size of an invitation card. But we all know and we agree with me that we have different forms of an invitation card. So what you need to do for a clarification sake is just to go to our Google. Now I'll show you how you can do that. Now we are going to download a custom background that we are going to use. We are not going to follow this image size because we have different type of size for our invitation card. Now what we need to do is just go to our browser. Now see what I'm going to ask Google, see what I'm going to type. Now when we go to our browser, just search wedding invitation card. Let's let it come up and search it. Wedding invitation card background background. Can you see? We click on it, then let's search it. Now it's going to give us varieties of background that we can use. Now we need to save the one we need to download the one without watermark. What I mean by watermark is those background word that is always on a picture. So we are going to download the one that can you see different background. Let's click on this. Maybe we can use this and see if it does not have watermark. Can you see? Let it come up very well. So we are going to, can you see? Now we can use this. Let's just download it to our what? Let's download it. Download. So it will download. Let's see if you can see another one to use. Let's see if you can see another one. We can use this. You can see this one too is not having background. Can you see? Let's look for another one. Likewise this one too. Let's download this one. Can you see what I'm saying? We can see that the first one we downloaded and this one also, they have what? They have different size and different width and different height. So that's what I'm deriving at. That's what I'm driving at. So you need to what? You don't need to use the custom image size. You just go to your Google, just look for any background you need to use. Now since we have downloaded the background we want to use, let's go back to our Pixel app. Now you just come to this place, come to this fourth one that we are using where we put our image size. Now go to from gallery. Now I want to select a background from our gallery. Now choose the one you want to use from the one you have downloaded. Now is it the first one or this one? Let's which one should we use? Let's use this pink one. Can you see? Now click on what? Click on OK. Can you see? It's still the same size. I think it's the same size. Can you see? It's that same size. Now we can use it and we can change it. Let's change it. You see that the size will be different and still the same invitation card we want to create. Now let's use this. Let's just adjust it. Then we press what? Okay. Can you see it's different? When we click on image size, can you see now? Can you see that the size is different? Now we can use this one. Now we now start what? We start our work. Start typing our invitation card. How do we type it? Now let's come to this place and type depending on the content your client give you. Now we have this. Where do we put it? Let's just reduce the size because what we are using is very small. It's not like our flyer, so we need to reduce the background to the last. Okay, I think this is okay. We are still going to reduce the background. Let's reduce it. This is okay. Then we position our work. Position our work. Then go to the next text. Just follow what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm typing. Now this we are through with this part. Then now let's click OK. Then we reduce this one too. Now you can give it any color you want to give it, anything you want to do. Let's adjust it a little bit. Now it's okay like this. We need to bold this one because it's different from the upper one. Now let's bold it. Then we change it to what? We change the color to black. Change the color to black. No, you can't use black. You can use any color. So the color that suits your design. I always tell you that any color that suits your design. Let's make this one bold also. Now we made it bold. Now what else do we need? What else do we need? What? Then we have now we have this now. Then and just see what I'm doing. Can you see? Can you see? Let me edit it again. Okay, I can come to this alignment and change it to what? Change it to center. Come to this alignment. Can you see? It has aligned properly now. It has aligned properly now. Let me reduce the size. Let me reduce the size. If you are okay with it, you can leave it. Now let's position it. Position it. Now what else do we need? What else do we need? Okay. Hope you are getting this video. Hope you are getting what is very simple. What you just need is the size, and you cannot use that custom size. Just go depending on what your client give you. Just go to what? Go to Google, download any background without watermark, without any label on it. Then you upload it as your background. Then you start typing. Now we are through with this part. Then we click on it, reduce the size. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. Hey, yes, click on it. This one we want to bring down. Now we are okay like this. We are okay with this. We adjust the position. So what else? We need the what? We need the date for the wedding ceremony so that we can attend it. Now let's click on text. Then we edit it. Which date are we going for our party? Let's see, Saturday. Let's put the location. Let's put the location. We have I hope you are following the video. Anyone you don't understand, please try your best to contact me to ask question. That is why we set up this class. Make sure you ask question. Now, okay, we are okay with this. We are okay with this. Then we need to edit. Let's first change the alignment. Okay, we are okay with this now. Now let's go and change the size. Let's change the size. This is it. Let's change the size. Let's change the size. Can you see? Now we need to readjust all these things. Now let's change the size of this one, because we still need to put something at the down part. When we adjust the size, then we reposition it. Let's bring it here. Let's bring it here. We adjust these two the same way. Let's put it at, it's okay like this, or rather let's go and align it so that to, okay, it's okay like this. Then we change the position, edit the position a little bit to the up. It's too close. Now this is okay. Now let's send these two up. Can you see? Can you see? Now if you want to add anything like ring, you can go to your Google, download link ring, remove the background, then import it to this place. If you want to put flower, that you can do the same too. So it depends on what you want to do. So then lastly, what do you have? Reception follow. Reception follow. Yes, can you see? Bring this, just change, let's change the background. Yeah, can change it to anything. Now change the size. Let's reduce the size. Then we reposition it. We reposition it. Can you see? This is what see, this is what we call a wedding card invitation. So you can design any type of invitation, be it birthday invitation, be it housewarming invitation, wedding ceremony invitation. Just know what you want to do. Collect your details from your clients. Or if you are doing it for yourself, you already know what you want. Collect your details, then look for the background you want to use. If you want to use the custom size, you still also need what? A background to use. Then you import it, then you do it the way you should do it. So then you have what you have. Now let's come back to this place. You can now start editing by putting cancel, by putting, now it's set. It's very okay now. You can now start editing by putting your color. So let's change this one. Which color should we put? Let's put pink. Yeah, okay, this one is okay. Then that's okay. What else should we add? It's okay like that. So that is how to create what? An invitation card, any type of invitation card. So if you don't want to use the custom card, the custom size, go to your Google, download birthday invitation card background, wedding invitation card background. Now you choose or download the one that is not having any watermark. Shey you understand? So then you download it, change it to your background. You come to this place, from gallery choose it and select it. Then you start typing what you want to type. Now if you want to put any functionalities like ring, like flower, you know how to download that. I don't know if I have anything of such. Let me try it. If I have, I'm going to put it. I'm not really sure if I have. Now let's look. Maybe I have. Okay, let's say this image is a background image, but I have a ring inside, so I'll just crop out the ring. Can you see? Now this is what I call watermark. You can see in this place we have 1 2 3 RF. That is a watermark. So you don't need something like that for your work to be perfect. Now just what? This is what we need. It's only the ring that we need. So you are going to crop it out. Can you see? Okay, can you see? Then because you have not removed the background, that's why it's showing us the background. Now you need to remove the background before you can do something like this. But because of our time, that's why I just use this as an example. You can put ring like this. Can you see? Is it not perfect like this? So put our ring, put any functionalities you want to put. So that's all for the invitation card. Thank you for watching this video. It's Crown Tech Communication.